this is John Piper with the weekend video, and it's Saturday the 31st of July. Bitcoin is looking very good at the moment. We've got this nice 5 waves. We discussed that in the Thursday's report. 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5. What's a bit strange here is we've actually got this very subnormal A, B, C, held this trend line in fact, and now we've got another leg up. I think there are two possibilities here. One is that this is actually the wave 2. I mean, if so, it's incredibly subnormal, suggesting incredible strength this move. I've got people, there are people on YouTube suggesting prices of 200 to 300,000 for Bitcoin over the course of the next 6 months or so. I guess if you have this kind of correction, very, very subnormal, then that does show pretty substantial strength. My initial target remains 92,000 odd, based on the calculation that this is a 5th wave and that it shall equal the 1 wave, which was 3.2x. But I'm open to higher prices, obviously, if that's what we get. The second alternative is actually what we're seeing here is an extended 5th wave, IA1, an ABC2, and that looks far. The scale of this move is far more spot on, as it were, for a wave 2 than it is for a wave 2 of this whole move, i.e. a wave 2 of 5. And this is wave 3 of 5. So if that's the case, we'll see a 4th wave and then a 5th wave to have a start again. So this is 1 of 5, 2 of 5, 3 of 5 in progress, 4 of 5, 5 of 5, and then we'll see the correction. We should know fairly soon about that, but I mean, we're going up. I remain very positive, obviously, with 92,000 as the initial target. The reasoning these people are using for much higher prices makes sense to me, but it's all a bit hypothetical, obviously. I mean, the future always is a bit hypothetical. So we'll have to see how it goes, but certainly this wave pattern is very promising, I would say, at this point. So let's go on to Ethereum at this point. Right, Ethereum's a bit messy because you've got these 3 lows. I'm calling this wave 4, and there's a wave 2 low there and a wave C low there. I wonder whether to simplify this, you just call this a wave 4 to time with Bitcoin. That would then make the this move here wave 1 in the new bull market. So let's just have a look at how that would work out. Go down to a 1 month chart. Let's expand this a little bit so you can see a bit more detail. We then got a 5-part 1, 2. It's an ABC here. It's quite messy compared to Bitcoin. It has made new highs now, but this is not the stuff of legend. It's a really unimpressive rally, and the wave 4 here, that's a wave 4, it has taken out the wave 1 low. Let me just examine this a bit closely and we see a slightly better count here. Yeah, not really. I mean, we could say that the 1 wave perhaps ended here. We then got a 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 perhaps, a bit flaky, but then 2 goes to there. Then we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is a bit neater for 3. This thing, well, I guess it's a rising wedge pattern of sorts, but of course it's looking like it's about to end, which is how Bitcoin did look until we saw this extension we're seeing at the moment. But this is not really, it's a 5 waves, but it's not a great 5 waves. It's not doesn't suggest enormous strength, whereas Bitcoin does at the moment. So no doubt it'll be resolved, but currently Ethereum is lagging rather, and Bitcoin is taking up the lead quite strongly. Look at Dogecoin just for comparison. Looks like we've got a 5 wave pattern up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I've got a big A, B, C. Looks like it could well be complete here. Big correction, about down to 20% level in fact, so pretty substantial. I think it depends what your situation is, but that's probably not a bad place to buy Dogecoin. Could go lower, of course, there's no guarantees here. But if we get a bull market in the altcoins, which I'm expecting, I said Bitcoin's leading the way, the altcoins, Ethereum anyway, is not really doing very much yet. We could easily see Dogecoin shooting up. I say it's a lot more speculative, but maybe a fair bit of scope there. Let's potentially switch this to a log scale. That makes quite a big difference to the chart. I mean, the correction looks quite small, even though it's about 80% odd. But anyway, it depends which one you want to look at really. But I've been in Dogecoin for a long time. I did sell some, not the best prices, but I still got a fairly decent number, so I'm not planning to buy any more myself at the moment. Right, gold remains positive. We've got the 5 hours up here. Discuss that. ABC down to there. Discuss that. So let's have a look at the shorter term action for this rally since that low. So we've got a fairly clear 5 here. A, B, C down to here. This is, well, a bit dithery here. It's failed at the high end, which is not a great sign. I think Bitcoin certainly outperforming gold at the moment. There's no doubt about that. This needs to clarify itself. I think it's looking positive, but just needs to confirm this by seeing new highs. So no overall change of opinion. It just is not sort of shining a clear light right now. All right, silver's been lagging, but is now catching up. We've got a 1 there. I mean, a little bit of an ABC. Maybe put it up to there. Maybe there's a 4, 5 here. Anyway, I'll call that a 1, 2, irregular 2 actually, A, B, C. Very clear 3, nice solid thrust. ABC, this could be a 4, double spikes there. So we need another move up to confirm a 5-wave advance. So a bit dubious here, but so the rest looks pretty good. And markets don't work to a precise treadmill, as it were. I guess you all know. Yeah, so one more rally will give us 5, maybe a correction, and see how that goes. But looking more promising on silver at the moment. All right, FTSE saw 5 hours up, which is encouraging. This is all the correction we got, down to 50% level, which is, in terms of price, fine. In terms of time, a bit subnormal. This could, of course, be an A, B, and a C now, the way it's drawing out. For now, I'll stay with the positives, and we've got the 5 hours up, so call that a 1, 2. This is part of 3, perhaps, but if we take this low out, it would suggest that maybe there's a peak in place and we're going down. So I'll just see how that develops. DAX keeping us guessing. We've got possible 1, 2, 3, rather large 4, but looks correctly with a couple of spike lows, same kind of level. 1, 2, 3, 4. I mean, another rally would be encouraging, but I mean, this is a large move really. I mean, perhaps we've got a 5 already. Maybe the 3 was here. Maybe the 4 was here. Might make more sense, in fact. And the 5, which I can't quite get to, should be here. And this is an ABC. This is new impulsive action, but it's looking a bit uncertain to be new impulsive actions. So yeah, a few question marks on the DAX right now. The DAX is also looking at it, maybe peaking. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I haven't yet seen the peak, in fact, so we're dithering around a bit here. This could be a correction, I suppose. A, B, C. It's certainly going sideways, so maybe the 4 wave should be extended to there, and 5th wave still to come. But all a bit dithery right now on the Dow. And the Nasdaq's telling a similar story. We've got the 3 here, so maybe the 4 should now be here. It could be forming a triangle. I suppose we're maybe seeing A, B, C, D, E, then a final rally to the major peak. I'm still thinking there's going to be a major peak in equities this year. It's been delayed slightly. I was thinking it might be a bit sooner, but I think it's still quite likely at some point this year. And looking at the charts, I see nothing to change that view really. Right, that's all for today. I think it's useful. Back to the report for subscribers on Tuesday. Have a great weekend. Thanks for listening, and bye for now.